Okay, so starting with the building we left off with the pool on top. And y'all, I do have pictures like of bird's eye view drawings pulled up as I'm working just as a reference. It can give you some good ideas, and I'll show you some of the pictures that I'm using. I saved like 5 of them, and I'm kind of just filtering through ones that I like. Um, eh, okay, I like that one. So, what I'm going to do is just like before, I'm going to kind of line up, see how much room I got. Or I can eyeball it if you're good at eyeballing. So this next set is actually going to be 3 rows. So what I want to be careful with is I'm not putting extra lines that are different. So I want to make sure whatever I'm doing. Sure, let's see what that looks like. I'm going to come in, line up with that vanishing point, draw lightly, draw lightly, draw lightly, always lining up with that vanishing point. Let me see if I can give you a better look. Okay. Always realigning for every single line. I'm not just doing this and then going like that, because then it's not with the vanishing point anymore. I'm always realigning with that vanishing point. Trying to make sure you can see everything I'm doing. Always realigning each and every time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in. I'm actually going to draw a line and line up with the edge of the paper closest to me. I'm going to draw a little line right there, which then frees up this. So I have 3 windows there. I'm going to come in. I want one here, here. And remember, as I go down, they should be getting closer together. So I only marked on one of them because most buildings are going to have them all in the same spot. So I'll just pick up my pencil between windows. You could look up different types of architecture if you wanted. For window ideas, just look up for buildings. Okay. And as you go, you might end up changing up where some of these dots are. And that's alright. The dots are just to help guide you so you don't forget to do something. Okay, there's that. And I'm going to come in here, line up with that vanishing point, draw down. If you notice, I'm not really drawing doors unless it's on like the top of the building like this one. And that's because it's just, I'm avoiding it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to come and make some dots on these lines. And the reason I'm doing that is to give myself a starting edge for these windows. Okay. So then I would just go in with my eraser. Make sure you might end up erasing some of the lines you need. That's okay. You just gotta come back in. Make sure you redraw it. And that's the windows for that building. And you just kind of keep doing that. Like I said, let me see if I can turn this off now that I don't have the shadow. Okay. So like I said, I did that building. Let's see. Ooh. Maybe I want to do some skylights on a building. Come over here. Line up with the edge of the building. Or, yeah. Edge, the edge of the paper. So I'm going to come in, line up, draw, line up, draw. I don't like this. Come in, erase what I don't need. So for skylights, we're going to keep it really, really simple. I'm going to come in. I'm actually going to draw 2 at one time. Those look about even. I know those lines don't necessarily meet up with these, and that's okay. Because I'm going to come in and fix that. I can make this a little longer. Like I said, each and every time I am leaving my mistakes and fixing them after. I'm going to decide, this is about my middle point. Okay. Mind you, things can change. That's okay. I'm going to draw it from these corners. Come in, do the same thing here. Mind you, in this case, these will not be converging lines, even though they are diagonal, because they're not leading to the vanishing point. These not leading to the vanishing point is 100% okay, because it is part of your design aspect. It's design of the window, and that happens. And then I could come back and erase a little bit And these. And these could be like skylights. Yay! That's all that is. Alright. And then you choose another form of window that you like. You put it here. Everything leads back to it. Make sure you have some variation with your windows.